वी लाइव। हाय एंड नमस्कार आप सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से। एंड आई एम शिल्पा शेट्टी कुंद्रा एंड हियर्स विशिंग यू ऑल ग्रेट हेल्थ, पीस ऑफ माइंड ऑन वर्ल्ड योगा डे टुडे। और इस साल के योग दिवस का थीम है योगा फॉर वेलबींग एंड ऑनेस्टली आई वुड ऑल्सो कॉल इट Yoga for mental peace. It aims to focus on the importance and the benefits of yoga for holistic health. Since the beginning of this global pandemic that we've all suffered, we've realized that focusing on our breath has various benefits, and it really impacts our mind, our body, and our soul. So the alignment of these three is so crucial. And how many of us actually focus on our breath? इसीलिए तो कहते हैं कि प्राण आयम, प्राण पे आयम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। Because once you have control on your breath, you have control on your thoughts, and in turn it turns into positive actions, and then your life is sorted. So I feel really happy that we're here today. I have joined forces with the Give India's global campaign Breathe for India, and through this session I really hope that we're able to collect as much as we can to make COVID-19 a little easier. The details of the same will be shared in the caption of this post shortly. So let's all get together. Yog means unison, right? It's actually the unison of mind, body, soul. But I really feel that to fight these disastrous times that we've all been through, we all need to come in unison together, and only then will we be able to overcome it. So today, since we've always emphasized a lot on physical health, we are taking out that extra time to focus on mental health. So आज हम लोग सिर्फ प्राणायाम करेंगे। And you know, the funny thing is, I was actually talking to someone the other day, and I realized that जब आप योग को हैशटैग करते हैं किसी भी सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पे, whether it be any of the handles, I just feel that I never find any Indians. So the first people that actually pop up are all foreigners. I mean, with due respect to them, I think they've really done a great job, क्योंकि उनकी साधना honestly हमसे बेहतर है। क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है, despite the fact that योग belongs to our country, to India, we don't take ownership of it, or rather we don't value it as much as they do. We imbibe a lot that they give us. Many of the stuff is fantastic, but when it comes to yoga, I feel immense pride for the fact that it belongs to our country. It's our country's heritage. It's a science, it's an art that came from our rishis, our munis, and Adi Yog Shivji. So I really feel that if the world can gain benefits from it, why not us? Today a lot of us have started turning to yoga because they see a lot of foreigners doing it. That is a really sorry state of affairs. So today on International Yoga Divas, I really want all of us to come together और ये हम प्रतिज्ञा लें कि do not take what we have for granted. It is actually embedded in our genes that we can actually come out of our suffering with the use of yoga. इसका उपयोग करें। और जैसे कि कहते हैं कि हमारी परंपरा बताती है कि इंसान के जीवन में 3 किस्म के ताप या कष्ट हो सकते हैं, आदि भौतिक, आदि दैविक और आध्यात्मिक। अभी आदि भौतिक ताप ऐसा होता है कि सफरिंग फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ देयर इज अ सुनामी और इफ देयर इज अ हरिकेन, उस पे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है। देन देयर इज आदि दैविक ताप, which obviously comes from the suffering of our own internal issues, maybe genetics, something that is predestined. So if someone suffers with ailments or genetic disorders, उसके अलग इलाज हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आध्यात्मिक ताप जो है वो हमारे वश में है। एंड उस पर, एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट लेट मी एलैबोरेट मोर ऑन। आध्यात्मिक ताप कैसे आता है? इट कम्स फ्रॉम आवर ओन डूइंग, जैसे राग, द्वेष, पाप, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम अपने मन में रखते हैं, और उससे हमारी सोच जो है वो नकारात्मक हो जाती है। तो आई थिंक, और वो भी एक ह्यूमन चीज़ है। आई जस्ट फील दैट यू कांट गेट अवे फ्रॉम इट, बट उस विचारधारा को सीधा करने में योग बहुत बहुत काम आता है। तो इसका इलाज सिर्फ योग से हो सकता है, प्राणायाम से हो सकता है। तो whenever I read about yoga and how it started, क्योंकि today we've all congregated together over a science that was actually given to us as a gift from Adi Yoga and Adi Yogi, and it has been given. Today we actually celebrate nearly 15,000 years ago what has been gifted to us when पार्वती जी asked शिव जी के इंसानों के भलाई के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, there's so much suffering, तो इंसान अपने आध्यात्मिक ताप से कैसे बच सकता है, she said। तो शिव जी ने इसका उपचार बताया कि वो योग से ही हो सकता है, और योग का ही एक ये जो माध्यम है जिसे अगर हम अपनाएं तो कर्मों से होने वाले जो ताप है उससे हम छुटकारा शायद नहीं पा सकते, लेकिन जो शारीरिक या मानसिक ताप है उससे हम छुटकारा जरूर पा सकते हैं। सो आई रियली फील दैट ऑन टुडेज डे वी नीड टू सेलिब्रेट दिस साइंस, एंड नॉट जस्ट ऑन दिस वन डे बट फॉर आवर लाइफस्टाइल, फॉर आवर लाइफ टाइम, मेक इट अ लाइफस्टाइल, एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव डन, and my sadhana has taught me that it has shown such immense positive benefits in my life, not just externally but also internally, and that is something that I can only share with you because that's my experience. But if you really want to enjoy a qualitative life, I would request you and urge you to take up yoga. So on the 21st of June 2021, I really hope even out of us, if a handful can make that change, I'll feel that maybe मैंने कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे। So do this as a gift and for yourselves and for me. So without wasting any time, let's get into pranayamas. We'll do 6 pranayams today because I really believe that the mind is more powerful than the body, and once you have control over your mind, you will be able to get over all your hurdles in your life. So today we start with the Pran Akarshan Kriya. Okay, it's a very very simple Kriya. Before we start with our pranayams, this is a Kriya that we do only for stillness, to bring focus to our breath and to make sure that we switch off. There is a lot that is happening around us, and I know it is very hard. It's easier said than done. We're losing families, we're losing friends, we're losing jobs. So at this point, whatever is the external pain, switch off and look within. Just take a deep breath and just concentrate on your breath, your nostrils. Close your eyes. Sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, sit on a chair. Really is immaterial. Right now, it's about focus on your breath. No heavy movements. Just be still. Spine should be straight. Just breathe. Feel the air going in through both your nostrils, exhaling from both your nostrils. No sudden movements. Do this twice. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. Softly and slowly open your eyes. And now we start with the pranayamas. There's a certain stillness and a certain calmness. We first do the Kapalbhati. This is a very, very important pranayama. Kapal means mind and Bhati means cleansing. So it's self-explanatory. It's the cleansing of your mind, your thoughts. I think it's much needed in these times. So first, we just exhale. Exhale all the negative thoughts. Inhale halfway. I'll show it to you once so we get the flow and then we continue. So we inhale, exhale, inhale slightly and it's like you're trying to take out something from your nostrils, maybe an insect has gone in. Okay, so that is the exercise. So we do it now. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So we've done around 50 to 60 right now. You can do 3 sets of these. If you can do more the better. We do up to 200, but that's a more advanced kind of pranayama. When you start with 50. अगर उससे कम कर रहे हैं आप तो there's no problem even with that. So even if it's 25, आप सांस को उधर ही रोकिए और वापस शुरू करिए. ठीक है? There's no hard and fast rules with yoga as long as you're doing the technique properly. अगला वाला हम करेंगे उज्जयी. For a lot of people that are suffering with throat infections, thyroid, it also helps balance the parasympathetic nerves. This is a great pranayam to balance your parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. ठीक है? So let's try this. बहुत लोग अलग अलग तरीके से इस प्राणायाम को करते हैं. This is the one that I have learned and this is the one that I practice. So I will be teaching you that. अभी उज्जयी के लिए you need to take a deep breath in and when you exhale you have to hear the roar that happens in your throat. तो बिल्कुल शर्माइए मत. और अगर आपको खांसी आती है ये this is a good sign. It's a sign that it is healing you. So take it in and it releases the right kind of hormones. A lot of people are suffering with thyroid, hypo, and I feel this is something that really helps a lot of women with this issue in the long run if practiced. So let's get into that. I'll show you one and then we continue. Take a deep breath in. hear it, you have to feel the vibration in your throat. So take a deep breath in, you have to feel the vibration. Inhale, mouth closed. Now put your hands on the waist and we do the same thing. Inhale. Now you cross your arms and we take it up and down. Inhale and the hands go up. Inhale. So this is really amazing. It really energizes the way my vocal cords function and it's a really great pranayama. इसके बाद हम करेंगे चंद्र भेदना. ये बहुत ही important प्राणायाम है. It actually reduces body heat and it really calms your nerves, and this is a very very simple pranayam, especially for people who suffer with high blood pressure. So I feel in this time and age a lot of people are suffering with high blood pressure with the stresses and the external stressors around us. तो इसे please अपनाइए. This is our Chandra Nadi and this is our Surya Nadi. So we inhale, closing our Surya Nadi. We inhale from the left. Close, exhale from the right. Now close your Surya Nadi, which is your right. Inhale. Close. Exhale from the right. Once more. Inhale from the left. Close. Exhale from the right. Fourth time. Inhale from the left. Close. Exhale from the right. So this is a pranayama that you can do either 5 times. आज हमने 5 बार ही किया. आप इसे 11 बार कर सकते हैं, 21 times कर सकते हैं. So this is a really really good practice, and it must be, you must spread the word around. It's a very very simple pranayama. अब हम करेंगे थोड़ा सा advanced pranayama, and this one is called the Savitri pranayama. बहुत कम लोग इसे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Actually, I've also just about started learning it and started putting it into my daily practice. बहुत ही important pranayam है, because this is the kind of pranayam that actually makes you focus on your breath and makes you have control on it. It's a very simple exercise. You have to, the count is 8, 4, 8, 4. तो क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ इस प्राणायाम को प्रैक्टिस करूंगी, मेरे जो योगा टीचर है जो पीछे से देखकर बहुत प्राउडली मुझे इनकरेज कर रहे हैं, वो आपको काउंट्स देंगे. आई विल शो इट टू यू वंस एंड वी विल डू 3 ऑफ द सावित्री प्राणायाम टुडे. ठीक है? तो इसके लिए कंट्रोल योर माइंड एंड योर ब्रेथ. एक्सहेल. Inhale for 8 counts. Slowly. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 8. Hold. This is the flow of it. राजी, अब आप loudly देंगे हमें sound. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Forcefully exhale and take a breath slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Now take a slow deep breath and slowly long breathe out.
Wasn't that wonderful? I really wish we can focus more on our breath more often. अब क्योंकि हम सुखासन में बहुत समय के लिए बैठे हैं, अगर कुछ लोगों को लग रहा है कि आप दिक्कत महसूस कर रहे हैं, you can just open up your legs and just shake them. It's very, very simple. Yoga, once you make it your lifestyle, automatically you will realize that it becomes a part of you, and then it's not tedious. You have to make it a discipline, and that discipline cannot be inculcated by anyone else for you. You have to do it for yourself. अब हम करेंगे मेरा सबसे फेवरेट ओम चांट्स. वैसे तो we have around 72,000 different nadis and energy points and chakras all over, but the 7 that are primarily situated and that we know of are right here. And I think it's very important sometimes to align our chakras, because when they are not balanced, you feel a lot of uneasiness. जैसे हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने बहुत खूबसूरती से इसे डिस्क्राइब किया है. गिराना जी ने बोला है कि what is disease? Disease is the absence of ease. And once you practice pranayamas, that is the only way to get rid of all the imbalances that put you at uneasiness. So put you in a difficult spot of anxiety. So योग से ही होगा. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ अगर होगा तो योगा से ही होगा. तो आज से शुरू करिए. We will now do 7 Om chants, very simply, for the 7 chakras. Sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, whatever that you are comfortable in. Sit on a chair. But please focus on every chakra. First being our Muladhara, which is at the base of our spine. And I will teach you how to say the Om. A lot of people do it differently, but the way we concentrate and do the Om is that the O should be short and the Ma should be long. Let's take a deep breath in. 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 Focus on the Vishuddhi chakra, your throat chakra. On your Agya chakra, deep breath in. Sahasrara chakra, the top of your head. Deep breath in. Just be with yourself in that moment. Feel an iridescent light penetrate through the top of your head to the base of your spine. deep breath in. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Bring your palms together and rub them vigorously. हाथों का घर्षण करें. And now you place them on your eyes. We do this once more. Place them on your eyes. Now blink your eyes vigorously from behind your palms. जोर से बंद करें और खोलिए आहिस्ते आहिस्ते. आत्म नमस्ते. I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I enjoyed taking it for you. अपने हेल्थ और फिटनेस को हमेशा अपनी प्रायोरिटी बनाइए. प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन योर ब्रेथ, what you eat, how much activity you get in a day. It really will reap in a lifetime of benefits, and I am a prime example of that. To continue practicing yoga with me, please download and subscribe to the Simple Soulful app. It really is made with all my heart and passion so that you can get some kind of goal and direction in your life, not just with yoga practices, but we've got intense fitness programs, goal-oriented programs with a nutrition plan. Well, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I really enjoy connecting with each and every one of you on all the platforms that I have. Thank you so much always for all the love. Please celebrate International Yoga Day and yoga every day. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, and बाहर जाओ तो मास्क को पहने रखो. Thank you so very much. Namaskar.